Welcome back to Ribbon Candy Hooking. I'm Deanna. I want to answer the question today, a question I get often, and that is, why do my loops keep twisting, right? As you're rug hooking, maybe you're a beginner and you're pulling up loops, or maybe you're hooking with strips for the first time instead of yarn or other materials. This is a tough one because it's a question of practice and learning. When I'm pulling up my loops, and of course I'm working on my teacher's frame now, I'm pulling up my loops and I'm wrapping them around my hook underneath, right? This is a teaching frame. I'm wrapping them and pulling them up, putting my hook in, wrapping them and pulling them up. I have videos of this that are longer. There is potential while I'm wrapping underneath for my strips to twist, right? And you hope that you're going to get it sooner rather than later, but realistically, sometimes it's later, and it doesn't mean that you're not cut out for this. So I suggest try hooking with yarn next, right? Try doing this first until you really get the hang of it. The yarn doesn't have a flat side, and you'll find it a lot easier.